The Apple Watch Ultra 3, expected to be the company's most comprehensive smartwatch yet, is set to revolutionize the wearable technology market with a combination of rugged durability and advanced fitness tracking. The watch features a refreshed titanium design that emphasizes its lightweight construction, making it more comfortable for every day, while maintaining its premium look. Customizable action buttons provide quick access to popular apps and settings, ensuring seamless use across multiple devices. The display on the Ultra 3 is upgraded with an LTPO OLED, light-emitting diode, panel that offers brighter and more efficient performance compared to previous generations. The S10 chip further enhances battery life, providing up to 48 hours of normal use without requiring frequent charging, making it ideal for users who need a watch with long-lasting power. In terms of health, Apple is pushing the boundaries with improved heart rate accuracy and advanced sleep tracking capabilities. Users can access detailed insights into their resting heart rates and track their sleep patterns using the watch's built-in sensors. Furthermore, running and cycling analytics provide valuable data on distance covered, calories burned, and stay tuned until the end. I will reveal the expected release window and price range together. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and tap the bell for more honest breakdowns. For materials and finish. The new model features a thinner bezel than previous iterations, making it easier to wear for extended periods without sacrificing functionality or aesthetics. A revised sapphire crystal display ensures improved brightness and contrast in bright conditions while providing ample visibility during workouts. The watch is known for its durability, which is set to be further enhanced by the stackable battery design and S10 chip found in the new model. The combination of these components promises up to 48 hours of normal use without draining the battery too quickly during intense workouts or extended periods of screen-on time. This long-lasting battery life significantly improves users' overall experience, as they can watch videos, play music, or browse apps for longer periods. Cameras front and back in focus. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 features a front-facing camera with an impressive resolution of up to 12 MP, offering sharp and clear photos even in low-light conditions. The back camera is also packed with advanced sensors for improved depth perception, night mode capabilities, and wide-angle shots. With the option for manual focus, users can fine-tune their images to capture the perfect moment or portrait shot. Additionally, the Ultra 3 supports optical image stabilization, OIS, which helps reduce blur and produce more stable videos and photos. The camera system also includes an aperture of f/2.4, ensuring that light is evenly distributed throughout the frame for optimal color accuracy and detail. In addition to these main sensors, the Ultra 3 offers advanced features such as night mode, allowing users to capture stunning images even in low-light conditions by adjusting the exposure settings. The front-facing camera also has a selfie sensor with a resolution of up to 12 MP, providing excellent quality for capturing clear and crisp. How the tracking system works. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's tracking system uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze and interpret data from various sensors, including a built-in accelerometer for motion tracking, gyroscope for orientation, and heart rate monitor. The system also utilizes advanced GPS technology to determine location-based data, allowing users to track their routes, distance traveled, and pace. In addition, the Ultra 3 supports a range of external sensors for additional tracking capabilities, such as blood oxygen level monitoring, SpO2, ECG, and sweat rate detection. By analyzing this data in real time, Apple's AI algorithms provide personalized coaching recommendations based on individual fitness goals and track progress over time. The system also offers advanced sleep analysis to identify patterns and trends in sleeping habits, allowing users to optimize their sleep routine for improved health outcomes. Overall, the Apple Watch Ultra 3's tracking, accessories combos, and add-ons. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's accessories and add-ons offer a wide range of options to enhance its performance, functionality, and style. One popular accessory combination is the Apple Watch Series 8 band with Pro-Grade Sport Dial, which features a scratch-resistant ceramic coating on both sides and a sporty silicone band that fits snugly around the wrist. This band comes equipped with built-in GPS tracking, a heart rate monitor, and advanced sleep tracking for monitoring your physical activity levels and optimizing your sleep patterns. Another accessory to consider is the Apple Watch Series 8 CDOC Smart Band, which adds an IP68 rated waterproof rating along with swim mode and Bluetooth connectivity. The band features a comfortable silicone shell that fits snugly around the wrist, while its inner layer is made of soft mesh for added ventilation. This smart band also includes GPS tracking, power, and endurance overview. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a highly anticipated smartwatch that promises to be the most comprehensive yet, with multiple upgrades designed to enhance its performance and durability. However, what sets this device apart from other wearables is its customizable action button that allows users to perform a wide range of tasks with ease. In terms of battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 boasts up to 48 hours of normal usage and 72 hours in low-power mode thanks to the new stacked battery design. This advanced feature enables the watch to operate for extended periods without requiring frequent charging, making it an ideal choice for fitness enthusiasts who need a reliable device that can withstand rigorous use. Apple's rumored 2025 Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be the most complete smartwatch yet. The device features a refined, lightweight titanium design and customizable action buttons that make it ideal for extreme athletes, but also practical for everyday users. With an improved battery life of up to 48 hours in normal use and 72 hours in low-power mode thanks to a new stacked battery design, the Ultra 3 offers exceptional durability and functionality. In terms of health, Apple is pushing deeper into pro-level metrics with advanced heart rate accuracy, running and cycling analytics, and AI-powered coaching. The watch also supports features like dual-frequency GPS, ocean sports tracking, and emergency SOS, ensuring users can navigate challenging environments with ease. The Ultra 3's standout feature is its upgraded LTPO OLED display that offers brighter and more efficient colors compared to previous generations. This means users will experience a noticeable improvement in performance even in low-light conditions, making it easier to monitor workouts or check notifications during outdoor activities. Additionally, the watch incorporates Apple's S10 chip for improved processing power. If this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.